Hey everybody, here looking at a machine I built for a client back in 2015. For those who have been watching my videos for several years now, this computer was last featured in my video bringing new life to an old eMachines case. Well, that was 3 years ago. And now the machine is in for service. This one here is needing a hard drive replacement. The hard drive is getting some bad sectors on it. Western Digital 320 gig hard drive. But also, I want to show you just how filthy this thing is. This computer and the other one, they both operate in the office of a truck garage, a truck repair shop. And I can definitely say that this is a tough environment for a computer to operate in. The previous computers they had were a pair of Dell XPS 400s. They got them in, like, I guess 2005 or 2006, and by 2015 they absolutely just had enough. I think at least one of them had to replace a power supply at one point, but yeah, just have a look at this. Yeah, I have to say, diesel truck shops and cigarette smoking homes are two examples of harsh environments for a computer to operate in. I mean, just look at the dust on this thing. Yeah, they set in the floor, and of course dust is the absolute worst at the floor. Here's a look at the front of it. Front don't look too bad. Let's wait till I have a look inside the thing. So this was an old 2002 eMachines chassis. And you notice how the side panel is like silver. That's one that I had painted at one point. Yeah, when I built these two machines, I didn't build them to look nice. I'll just say that because I knew exactly the kind of environment they'd be running in. So let's look at the back and just look at all the dust and power supply fan and inside there and whatnot. Let's have a look inside. This is an AMD A6 APU system. I think it's a dual core APU. The actual motherboard is really tiny. Here's looking inside the bottom of the machine. Getting ready to clean it out actually. And inside it actually doesn't look too bad. Their Dells got to looking a lot worse than this. Well, because they went for many years without ever getting cleaned out. So there's the hard drive. We'll have to be replacing that. Yeah. Yeah, diesel truck garages, even if it's just inside the office, it's still a tough environment because, of course, you know, grease and oil, it gets in the air and makes its own nasty kind of dust. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.